Can you get pregnant if you have fibroid? The answer is a big yes, yes. That is dependent on the size of the fibroid and also the location of the fibroid. There are basically different types of fibroid. There are some type of fibroid that are called submucosal fibroid, others are called intramural fibroid, others are also called subserosal fibroid. They are found in different areas of your womb. You having these kind of fibroid does not mean that you cannot get pregnant. There are most people with fibroid that they are able to get pregnant and deliver safely, and their babies are healthy. However, this type of fibroid, depending on their size, can sometimes impact your ability to get pregnant. The ideal investigation to know that you have fibroid or not is to take a scan. So with scan, they will do an ultrasound in order to visualize your womb or uterus to see whether there is a growth inside your womb. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Usukodo Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession.